Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let us continue our ongoing chapter, that is transportation in animals and plants. Okay, today is the last video, and in this there is a last topic, that is transport of substances in plant. So first of all, we have to know what kind of substances required to transport in plants. Okay, so those substances are food, water and minerals. Okay, those substances which need to transport in plants is food, water and mineral. Now let us look here about where is food is getting ready, and from where the water and minerals have to transport. First of all, we all know the food of plant is made by the leaves of plant, and leaves are in this above portion. We can imagine here there is a leaf is making plant, okay, leaf is making food here, but food is prepared by leaf here, and but the major thing is food is required by the entire part of plant. We can assume that here is a branch, so food prepared by the leaf can given easily to this. But what about the roots? These are also required food. What about this stem? This is also required food. Okay, because food is required for growth of entire plant, because day by day the entire plant will grow, but for growth the food is must. Okay, so from where these parts of the plant get the food and how? Number one is the food. Now the next thing is about minerals and water. Where we watering the plant? We watering the plant at root portion. Okay, at root. Ground पे करते हैं ना, ground के अंदर होती है root. Okay, so how the water supply to the root reaches to here? Because the fruits and the leaves, they also required water. Leaves required the water to make the food, and fruits required the minerals for better growth, for ripening. Okay, so all these things are present in this soil part or ground part. What are? One is water that provided by us, and the minerals that already present in the soil where the root present. Okay, minerals are already present in the soil, and water is watering by us. Okay, so here these are the two things which required to transport from down to above side, and the food is required to transport from above to down side, from top to bottom and from bottom to top. These are the two kind of transportation required in plants. So how they occur in the plant? For that there is a special kind of tissues present in plant. Those are called vascular tissues. Those are called vascular tissues. What kind of these vascular tissues are? Very simple comparison we can take. We have taps at our home. We are using taps for washing hands, and at our kitchen, at our bathrooms. Okay, all there the water is coming as we open the taps and the water comes out. How it possible? Because the taps are connected with the long pipes, with our long pipes which are connected with our overhead tanks, and the water from overhead tank come to the tap through those pipes. On the same way, there is the vascular tissues which form a channel like a pipe. Okay, it seems like that if you will take a microscopic image of those tissues. Okay, these kind of tissues present in entire plant from top to bottom for transport of substances in plants. Okay, so these are called vascular tissues. Now what are the types of those tissue? What kind of tissues? One is xylem and other is phloem. One is xylem and the second one is phloem. First let us take a look of xylem. Xylem is performing for transportation of water and mineral. Xylem is performing for water and minerals. Now let us take a look what happens in actually. Here the root present in that ground, root also has some root hairs. क्या होता है root के ऊपर? Root hairs present होते हैं. What kind of the function they are performing? Actually they are increasing the contact area of root with the ground for better absorbing water capacity. Okay, जितना ज़्यादा ये रूट जो है सॉइल के कांटेक्ट में रहेगी उतना ज़्यादा ये वाटर ऑब्जॉर्ब कर पाएगी. एंड टू इंक्रीज दैट कांटेक्ट एरिया हेयर रूट हेयर्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन रूट. ओके, सो नाउ एज वी वाटरिंग इन द ग्राउंड देन वाटर make a solution with the minerals present in the soil. I repeat, as we watered, then the water make a solution with the minerals present in soil. Then after, from here, that solution enters in the root through the root hair and the roots. Okay, this solution, water plus mineral, enters in the root. And this solution rises through the xylem tissue to the top or the every part of plant there where it is required. Okay, so this is the functioning of xylem tissue. Now next is phloem. Phloem is also a vascular tissue and it is spread in entire plant from top to bottom. Okay, and when the leaf made the food, this is transported to the entire part of plant including the root also. Okay, food is transported to the root also and the stem is also required food. So from with the help of this vascular tissue called phloem, the food reaches to all the parts of plant. Okay, now the last one is transpiration. The transpiration is a sort of a suction pull. How the suction pull created when we also know that the water reaches to the leaves of the plant. When the sunlight falls, on the leaf, then the water present in the stomata get evaporated. Okay, and then when this water is evaporated, then at that time the parts of this leaf which are connected with the xylem tissue, there a negative pressure is created in that xylem tissue. क्या होता है? Look at here. Let us assume here is some water and this evaporated by sun. Sorry, if this is evaporated by sun, then in this tube the pressure of water will decrease as compared to the pressure in root part. So then the water present in the root rise to the upper part to the leaves. Okay, इसका एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं. लाइक वी आर टेकिंग जूस विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रॉ. हम क्या करते हैं? स्ट्रॉ को जूस के अंदर इंसर्ट करते हैं एंड जैसे ही हम उसमें से उसकी एयर को सक करते हैं तो उस स्ट्रॉ के अंदर एक नेगेटिव प्रेशर क्रिएट हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से जो वो वेसल है जिसके अंदर जूस है, ग्लास या बॉटल जो भी है, वो जूस उसके अंदर राइज करना शुरू कर देता है. एंड कब तक राइज करता है? जब तक हम उसमें से सक करते रहते हैं एयर को, तो वो जूस जो है उस प्रेशर को फिल करने की कोशिश करता है. सेम फिनोमिना इज गोइंग हियर. जैसे ही यहाँ से सनलाइट की वजह से वाटर जो है वो इवेपोरेट होता है, बिकॉज ये लीफ जो है ये कंटिन्यूअसली कनेक्टेड होती है वेस्कुलर टिश्यू जाइलम के थ्रू टिल रूट. तो वहां पर जैसे ही वाटर इवेपोरेट होता है तो उस ट्यूब के अंदर उस वेस्कुलर टिश्यू का जो एक चैनल है उसके अंदर प्रेशर जो होता है वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है. एंड ड्यू टू दैट सॉइल से जो वाटर एंड मिनरल का सोल्यूशन है वो ऊपर राइज करना शुरू करता है. एंड दैट इवेपोरेशन थ्रू द लीव्स और स्टोमेटा इज नोन एज ट्रांसपिरेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज योर चैप्टर. आई होप कि आपको समझ आया होगा. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी देन यू कैन राइट योर क्वेरीज इन कमेंट बॉक्स और यू कैन कॉल मी, you can WhatsApp me, whatever you like. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with others. Thank you. Have a nice day.